Hello, in front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. In the app, let's tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and on this page you should see list of devices, and on it you should see your Huawei Watch 4 active. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the more options icon in the top right corner, select the unpair device, tap on unpair, and the watch will disappear from the list of devices right here. You can close the app. Now you can also open the settings on your phone. In settings, find the option called connected devices or Bluetooth and tap on it. And here check if you see the Huawei Watch 4 on the list. If it's here, you can tap on the next settings icon next to it, then tap on forget and tap on forget. But as you can see on my phone, it's not here, so I can close the settings, and at this point the watch is unpaired from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.